Unlocking the essence. Mastering in essence. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into English expressions to help you speak like a native. Today, we're unfolding the layers of a commonly used phrase, in essence. Understanding such phrases can truly enhance your fluency and expressiveness in English. So let's get started and discover what, in essence, really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. In essence is a phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or discussions, and it plays a key role in English. In essence means the most important or central part of a matter, idea, or statement. It is used to summarize the fundamental point or to highlight the most crucial aspect of something being discussed. When you strip away all the extra information or complexity, what you have left is the essence. Now that you know what, in essence, means, let's put it to use. In essence is versatile and can start a sentence or be part of a larger statement. Here are a few examples. In essence, the author's message is about the importance of family. The plan, in essence, was to increase sales by improving online marketing. What you're saying, in essence, is that we need to start over. Notice how, in essence, introduces the core idea without getting bogged down by the details. It's like saying, here's what it really comes down to. It's great to have some synonyms in your vocabulary arsenal. Other phrases that have a similar meaning to, in essence, include basically, fundamentally, at heart, primarily, in a nutshell, at the end of the day. You can use these synonyms to avoid repetition and keep your language fresh and engaging. Remembering and using, in essence, can be easy with a little practice. Try to use the phrase in your writing or speaking when you want to focus on the main point. You can also watch for the phrase in English-speaking media. Create your own sentences using, in essence, and its synonyms. Discuss a complex topic with a friend and then summarize it using, in essence. Thanks for watching our video on, in essence. We hope this explanation helps you capture the core meanings in your conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and keep expressing yourself essentially.